Hey hustlers! Welcome back to Digital Hustler, where we help you build your digital empire and create streams of income online. Today, we're diving into one of the most popular platforms for making money, Amazon. I'm going to show you 3 powerful ways you can make money on Amazon, whether you're just starting or looking to grow your side hustle. Let's get started. Amazon FBA, Fulfillment by Amazon. The first way to make money on Amazon is through their Fulfillment by Amazon (FBA) program. This is one of the most popular methods for entrepreneurs to sell physical products without having to worry about shipping and storage. You simply send your products to Amazon's fulfillment centers, and they handle the packaging, shipping, and even customer service. With FBA, you can take advantage of Amazon's massive customer base and prime shipping to get your products in front of millions of buyers. All you need to do is focus on sourcing the right products and marketing them effectively. Many sellers are making 6 and 7 figures using FBA, and the great part is you can start with a small investment by sourcing products from wholesalers or even using dropshipping suppliers. Amazon Affiliate Program, Amazon Associates. Alright, if selling physical products isn't your thing, the second way to make money on Amazon is through their affiliate program, also known as Amazon Associates. This is one of the easiest ways to earn commissions by promoting products on Amazon without having to deal with inventory or shipping. Here's how it works. You sign up for the Amazon Associates program, promote products through your blog, YouTube channel, or social media, and earn a commission every time someone clicks your unique affiliate link and makes a purchase. The best part? You can earn commissions on anything the buyer purchases within 24 hours after clicking your link, not just the specific product you recommended. So even if they buy something totally different, you still get paid. Selling your own eBooks or digital content through Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP. Now the third way to make money on Amazon is perfect for creatives or experts who want to sell their knowledge. Publishing your own eBooks through Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP. This platform allows you to write and sell your own eBooks, digital guides, or even paperback books on Amazon. KDP lets you publish your book with no upfront costs, and you earn up to 70% royalties on each sale. Whether you're a fiction writer, a nonfiction expert, or someone with valuable information to share, you can reach millions of readers around the world through Amazon's platform. Many self-published authors are making thousands, and even 6 figures, by consistently publishing high-quality ebooks and marketing them through Amazon. Plus, with the rise of digital content, there's never been a better time to get started. Bonus tip: selling print-on-demand products with merch by Amazon. Before we wrap up, here's a quick bonus tip. You can also make money on Amazon by selling print-on-demand products through merch by Amazon. This allows you to design t-shirts, hoodies, and other merchandise, and Amazon will print, pack, and ship them when someone places an order. It's perfect if you have a knack for design or want to build a brand without holding any inventory. Plus, it's completely free to join. Scaling your Amazon business. So whether you're selling physical products, promoting affiliate links, publishing ebooks, or even creating print-on-demand merch, Amazon offers tons of opportunities to create multiple streams of income. The key to success? Start small, stay consistent, and always look for ways to scale. Final takeaway. Amazon's a goldmine for anyone looking to make money online, but it's all about choosing the right strategy for you. Whether it's FBA, affiliate marketing, or selling your own digital products, the possibilities are endless. So which method are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and hit that subscribe button to stay updated with all the best tips on building your digital empire. Until next time, keep hustling and I'll see you in the next video.